In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Wattpad Web. Launch your Google Chrome web browser. Here I have saved the Wattpad homepage in the bookmark bar so that I can access it easily. Let's click on it. This is the Wattpad homepage. As you all know, Wattpad does not have the option for dark mode, so we have to use an extension for this. Let's open a new window. In the search bar, search for Dark Reader Chrome extension. This is the website that we are looking for. If you cannot find it, don't worry, I will add the link to the description. Click on Add to Chrome. In the pop-up menu, click on Add Extension. This will take you to another page. Close the page and go back to the Wattpad window. Here, you can see that Wattpad is now in dark mode.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.